All right, we've been doing a little bit around the water now, next to the old train trestle. Yeah, a little off the path. You guys can see it over there, maybe a little bit through the woods. But we've been trying to go. Oh, we got something. 13, 14. 13, 14. Ugh, it's not very nice digging in all this. Still says it's there. Ugh. Well, it's a different number now. Yep. Super. I think I got a coin. Yep. I don't know. It's green. What the hell is that? Looks like a quarter.
Dude, that thing looks old as hell.
1839. What the f... What is that? It says something on it. 1 cent. The hell kind of 1 cent is this big?
Let me see.
What the hell is that? How the... Holy shit! What is that?
1838 or 36.
Yeah, but why the hell does it say 1 cent on the back? That's what I want to know.
Well, it's
what
it's got to be real money. It's got 13 stars on it. I just counted
14
them.
cent? Well, it says Liberty on it. Does anybody know what that is? Anybody know what that is at all? Because I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to search this up. 1839. Oh my God. So now we found two cool coins here. We found the Indian head penny. And now this. The Indian head penny way over there in the campground.
Let me see.
And then this in the damn stream. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's like 13 stars.
Oh my God.
Dude, this is old as smoke.
Oh, I wonder if there's any more in here. Oh, we're gonna have to look again. I'm gonna have to spend a little bit more time here.
See the back.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck's all in the back. I can just see 1 cent. So I don't know. We'll have to get some kind of solution or something. But we don't want to ruin that.
Sweet.
Oh, that is so cool.
Holy smoke.
1839. I can't believe
Chris is
gonna be so mad. Oh man. Wow, yeah, it says 1 cent. I've never seen no cent that big.
No, me either. Long before my time.
Liberty. Oh, this is all. Yeah, we're definitely gonna be looking this up. Sweet.
Not in great shape. But...
I don't care. It's mine. It's the shape it is. That's the best shape in the world. I ain't selling this thing. Oh, but that is so cool.